Welcome back to Gorilla's Garage. We're going to take a step here into this disaster. That's tasty looking. All right. Ugh. 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 Oh. Oh, gross. Oh. Welcome back to Gorilla's Garage. Well, as you can see, I cleaned this car out to a point where I don't feel like I'm going to catch syphilis by sitting inside of it. But at the same time, I'm pretty sure I'm going to catch syphilis or something. A lot of work to be done on the floors. I got a game plan for that, which I know a lot of you are going to scoff at, but you know, beggars can't be choosers, right? I mean, now that I'm sitting back here, I sprayed it down with this mold and virus killer and everything under the sun, but it kind of smells like oh, gross. It smells like if newspaper and cocoa butter had a baby. Yeah, it smells like old comic books and cocoa butter mixed together. Not something that's good. You know, I just realized, like, what is... Let me flip this around here and give you my point of view. All right, so I don't care about the floors right now. I got a game plan for that. I don't understand. I got two holes here. Oh, brake booster. So the brake booster, I got to plug back in, or it's a master cylinder. There is no booster. And then I got to put the steering column back in. Okay. So the game plan for today, I got to finish sanding some stuff. I'm going to do primer today because this thing just looks like a rotten banana sitting here. That sits there. I just realized that I still have a mirror, which is always nice. This car actually gives me not just the heebie-jeebies, but it also gives me this, like, sort of the feeling of tightness that you get with a Corvette. If we can get it to a point where it just looks nice, I mean, we might not have to do anything else with it. I mean, who cares if it stops and runs, right? Anyway, let's get to it. Ugh. Saw that happening. Yeah, let's go with this one, please.
289, we got 289 for it.
Yeah?
But it kept smoking the transmission.
Too much power or what?
I don't think the transmission is very good to begin with anyway.
Automatic? Yeah. Oh, okay, we're good. I'm good. Don't worry, I just crushed my arm.
Paid $500 for it.
Oh, I only paid $2,000 for this.
$2,000?
Inflation, right?
Yeah.
Oh, Martha. Okay, in the right. Oh, oh, that's why that lip's there. Okay, you need to stand back. Are you standing back? Okay. Oh, almost chopped my legs off. What do you gotta know? Let's see. Can you bring me that? Oh, okay, well, today, day 3 was an utter failure. Alright. Well, at least the hood looks cool now. Sorta. Thank you all for watching. Please click like and subscribe. Again, you're watching Gorilla's Garage. Okay, so the goal today is I'm just gonna like keep sanding on this thing. I have a lot of sanding to do before I can prime it. It's really windy right now, so I'm probably not gonna be talking very much. I'm gonna have a mask over my face, obviously. But it's a good day for sanding because it just kind of blows all that crap away. And again, welcome to Gorilla's Garage.
right, I got a lot taped off. I got to razor off some of these edges. But it's a good start. I clearly need to put, you know, the paper around it and such. But so it's starting to rain really bad. I guess it's just starting to rain. Has nothing to do with good or bad. But I can't paint in the rain or even primer, so I guess I'm gonna go inside. Nope, don't blow away. Don't blow away. Oh, this is really hard to do. Oh, for Christ's sake. That'll work. I got some turbo cans that I ordered, black of course. Those are going to be here tomorrow, so I'm going to finish primering this whole vehicle today, and then I'm going to sand it down in some places where it's kind of rough, and keep moving forward. And again, this is Grill's Garage. Thank you so much for watching. Please click like and subscribe and share with all your friends. This is not a instructional video. This is a gorilla rebuild, a gorilla restoration, if you will. All right, so I got most of it primered. I still got to do the hood, and I still got to do the hood, the roof, and God, everybody and their mom drives by this time of the day, which is like basically the only time. I have like 2 hours before the sun goes down. So 4 cans of primer. I think if I had 6, that would have been better. All right, so I just finished primering this whole thing. I still got to put the hood all the way down. This side's still wet, just finished that. Yeah, it was kind of a rush job on the whole flat black primer situation, but it's looking pretty good so far. I gotta do the insides of these.